I'm running with Scott out to Lansing. Scott's got his dump trailer. Well, it's a gooseneck. He's got it full of cobblestone. I'm running the 10-ton so we can load up the equipment. We're going to finish up Zach's waterfall project, detail it out, give him a few pointers before we leave.
To find a way to keep it kind of up a little bit, because your water's going to want to run and splash over.
Yeah.
So you'll need to like, once you get it all set, I wouldn't cut anything yet, because you'll have to cut it higher than your water, and then you'll need rocks on top of it to hide it. But you want to keep it a good 6 inches above wherever your water level is.
Yeah.
Or it's going to hit your other rocks, splash out. Yeah.
He's talking about doing some more diffusers and making this thing bigger. He could, like, angle them different ways. So,
even if you don't want to cut it,
you
can tuck it down in rocks.
Yeah.
That way if you change anything later.
that's the plan.
Okay, yeah.
That's the plan. Looks like he burned up all the boulders, man. There's not many left.
Yeah, not much.
It worked out.
Back here, when you do it, you'll end up wanting to, like, pull this up, put either dirt or rocks behind it, and then some cobblestone or something to hide it.
Yeah.
You think we can fit 3 flex hoses in this? It's kind of narrow up top.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe we can put one on top of the other one. Don't you wish we had those when we were building features all the time? Oh, yeah. They're sweet. You know what? I love it. Like, that is the way to go. Aren't you glad we put a third vault in?
Yeah.
Oh, that's just sick right there.
Filling behind those rock mills, just tumbling over them.
He needs to keep big rocks in there or he's going to wash them right down into the reservoir. Man, that's awesome. Oh, I'm not disappointed. Woo! That's running on high octane. I won't put any of this up until you're, trust me, I wouldn't do that. Yeah, that's hardcore. 3 half-horse pumps, 2-inch. I love the sound. It's got an awesome sound. Yeah, you wouldn't be able to. What do you think, Zach? It's kind of the difference maker, ain't it? Yeah, that's breathtaking, man. I could stare into that all day. It's like gazing into a campfire. Man, that is truly awesome. White water galore. It's recording. We're cool.
Very cool.
All right. All right, everybody. You got a close-up? Close enough?
Yep.
Hey, everybody. We're building with Zach. Quality control. We're at the end of the construction. It's just him, more of a detail thing now, just putting in the stone. So let's take a look. Vault passed. Quality control. Sorry. All right, let's go over here. Plumbing, nice work, by the way. Oh, high octane. Good job on the plumbing. Passed. Love the excavation and boulder placement. Nice work. passed. Oh man, these diffusers are wicked. I love the double stack. This is a public service announcement from the French Drain Man. This water feature passes. Quality control. Sweet.
Awesome.
For those of you who are new to our channel, in July we sponsored a young contractor's project for the summer. He built a really cool water feature. We let him have our equipment when we had our shutdown during the 4th of July week, and it is just amazing what a 15-year-old, this guy, you have to go to Building with Zach and check him out. He's going to show you different videos during the build process. And when he was younger, he's got some really entertaining videos. He loves water. He loves water in motion. He loves controlling water. He was in the comment section one night when we had a bunch of stuff going back and forth on our channel, French Drain Man. And I went and checked his channel out. And I got a kick out of how much this young man loved working with water. So I told him I want to sponsor your summer project for this year. And I wanted to do something that was bigger than anything he's ever done before. And I knew he was up to the challenge, and he did not disappoint. So I'm looking forward to many, many more videos from Building with Zach. And I know he's going to show you all kinds of cool stuff that he's doing with this big water feature that he had built.